Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cells that contain numbers mixed with letters and symbols. Make a quick copy of that range so you can undo mistakes. Once done, insert a helper column immediately to the right and keep the original intact. You will use formulas and built-in features, so make sure calculation is automatic. Open the Formulas tab to check. This first step primes Excel so every change is reversible and you can proceed safely without losing data. Now you execute the core cleanup. Enter a formula that strips unwanted characters. For example, you substitute repeatedly to remove specific symbols and then apply trim to eliminate extra spaces. If non-printable characters appear, add clean. To extract only letters, use text join with MID and sequence in dynamic Excel or use a UDF if available. Once the first cell works, drag the fill handle down or double-click it so the formula applies to the full range efficiently. Finish by converting the cleaned helper column to values. Copy, then paste special right arrow values over the original cells. This freezes results and removes formula dependency. Make sure to scan with find and replace for lingering characters like non-breaking spaces. Replace them globally. If things go wrong, inspect a problematic cell with LEN and code on each character to reveal hidden bytes. Often a different encoding or non-printing character causes failure. If that's the case, rerun clean or use a small VBA routine to remove odd codes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.